Welcome to our quick guide on basic troubleshooting and best practices for your Android phone. Today, we'll explore some simple steps to keep your device running smoothly, along with some handy tips. Let's start by addressing some common issues. If you experience slower performance or app crashes, a simple restart of your device can often solve the problem. Restarting clears temporary files and refreshes system processes. Always keep an eye on your storage. To optimize your device, regularly delete unnecessary files and move large media files to an SD card or cloud storage. This helps in maintaining smooth performance. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for security and performance improvements. Regularly check for system updates in your settings menu and ensure your apps are set to update automatically. To extend battery life, adjust screen brightness and turn off connectivity options like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when not needed. Use battery saver modes available on most Android devices to further conserve power. Review your installed apps periodically. Uninstall those you no longer use and clear app caches and settings to free up space and improve performance. Protect your device by using a secure lock method, such as a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Avoid downloading apps from unknown sources and regularly review app permissions to safeguard your privacy. What you have learned. Restart your device to fix slow performance and app crashes by clearing temporary files and refreshing system processes. Manage storage by deleting unnecessary files and moving large media to SD cards or cloud storage. Keep software updated by regularly checking for system updates and enabling automatic app updates. Extend battery life by adjusting screen brightness and turning off unused connectivity, Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Manage apps by uninstalling unused ones and clearing app caches to free up space. Secure your device with pins, patterns, or fingerprints and avoid downloading from unknown sources. Review app permissions regularly to protect your privacy. By following these simple practices and troubleshooting tips, you can ensure your Android phone remains in top shape. Thank you for listening, and happy troubleshooting.